ELECMAN Zinc EMT compression type connector is a premium electrical fittings built from durable, zinc-dyed cast alloy with reliable anti-corrosion performance, adopting compression locking structure. It firmly connects the MT thin wall conduit to electrical boxes, forming concrete at tight stable joints resistant to vibration loosening, UL certified to comply with UL 514 standards. This fitting delivers safe grounding continuity, available in multiple sizes ranging from 1/2 inch to 4 inches, featuring simple, fast field installation without extra tools, widely applied in residential, commercial, and industrial wiring projects, offering long-term dependable protection for your electrical racing way systems.